Hey, in this quick video, we're going to look at the merge option in Google Sheets. So in Google Sheets, we've got a few options to merge horizontal, merge vertical, and merge all cells. So let's take a look at the first example, merge horizontal. So first what we're going to do is we're going to select our two cells here, and then we're going to go over to the merge function here, click on it, and then we're going to click merge horizontally. And what that allows us to do is merge these two cells together, and we can see that by centering the text. If we'd like to merge vertical, we'll select these two here, and we'll jump back into the merge function, and then we'll merge vertically. Again, what I can do here is I'll probably need to position that in a different way, but you can get the example here. And then finally merge all, where we can merge all these four cells together, and that will allow us actually to complete all the merge options. So what we do is click merge again and click onto merge all, and we get the merge option for that too.